We're going na?
Open your data.
Mommy!
Oh.
Hi, so this is Abba. Abba. That's Abba. We are in a grocery mart right now. Hi, Abba. Say hi. We are gonna buy some pork. Wow, look at the pork. Damn. Hi. Your first time, Abba? Wow. So we are at Landers right now, buying some chicken. I'm so good at vlogging. That's her right there. She's just sitting down. And we are now in the meat section. Where are you looking at, Ava? So now, my mom is buying some meat. Look at that pork. So many. Right, Aba? So what's that pork? Wow, it's bacon. No, it's not bacon. It's just pork lang. That's the pork section. You are at Landers. See, that's a big shop right there. Then we are in the pork section once again. Say hi. Ava! Ava! You wanna play the other iPhone? Yay!
Bawal na yung credit. Barbie!
Whoa!
Tinitingnan. Ito pala. Kita. Parang palabas na rin yun. Noodles na lang yan tayo na ano.
Ate!
Ate.
Wow! I went to the noodle section po kanina. Walang bulldog na naman. They don't, ano na.
Someone to die.
It's okay. Beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes. Check.
Oh, that's the bulldog. Hindi ba ganyan yun?
It's Jin ramen. Bull ramen.
Tumigil na yata.
Mga nagusto mo noodles?
Noodles pa ako.
binibili. 87 na lang yan, mama. Patays po.
Kapataste daw. Kapataste daw. Can I try?
Ay, ito, hindi ka mag-taste ko. Doon ako sa sabunhana. Naku, doon ako sa sabunhana.
Eh, nakakaya. Let's try it. Wala, nahiya na alter ego ko. No, aba. It smells so tough.
Isa tayo?